Is your MS Patterns apps broken by the Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before diving into the Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module, part of the Microsoft Enterprise Library managing the localized foundational logic for enterprise CAS apps. If corrupted, specialized industrial management tools will display blank data view windows or report an assembly load failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A maintenance path for Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module and System Optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Microsoft Practices Enterprise Library Common Module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.